What should Filipinos keep in mind before availing of any type of health insurance, because money is currently quite tight during these difficult times?
When you are looking for a appropriate or a suitable health insurance product, then one thing which you have to keep in mind is that the new product should be in combination of what you already have. It's very important to know what kind of coverages do they already enjoy and what are the additional features that they are looking for, so that they can find an appropriate product for themselves that suit their needs.
You have a family healthcare plan, Rahul, that
Yes,
basically
Rico.
covers
Yep.
pandemic diseases, which includes tests, hospitalization, and treatment for vaccine complications. How is the demand for this plan so far?
So Rico, it's we've just launched it a couple of months back, and it's been a record-selling product for us. And the reason being that we had done a lot of research before launching this product on what exactly is the gap currently, between what the customers want and what is available for them in the industry. And there are very quickly 5 points that I would like to highlight in this product, which is really, the key reason why this product is catching the fancy of a lot of our customers. First, it is one of the most comprehensive products available in the insurance or in the health industry today. It has a lot of coverages available to the customers, both inpatient and outpatient, and it really allows the customer to choose a very comprehensive set of benefits for themselves. Second, as you rightly pointed out, it covers COVID. It not only covers expenses related with COVID or treatments related with COVID, but it ensures that our customers are covered with the current pandemic or any future pandemic which might happen in the years to come. Third, it is a product which is quite affordable. So the customer can choose what the customer wants, as I said in the beginning of my my session. And as per their requirements, they can modify the product to suit their budget. So the fourth point is about, as I said, the affordability. The fifth point is that we have launched 24/7 teleconsultation for our customers along with it, which I think in this kind of a scenario of COVID is extremely and a very good feature to avail for.
Thank you so much for joining us in the final word. AXA Philippines CEO Rahul Hora.